Today, a lot of them's projects, but man, every one of them is absolutely cool. This is just a few of the ones that I'm gonna try to get a little video up for you today. And golly, what a treasure! If bear with us on this one, you're gonna be happy you come along for this adventure. All right, I'm gonna hit this one first. Golly, that color just knocks me out. It screams 50s. That is a Fury, 1959 Plymouth Fury, and it's a sport coupe, two-door hardtop. How sweet that is. Look at that trim down the side there. See how it's dimpled, almost like a golf ball. That is cool. All right. We're back. I just wanted to touch base again with the owner just to make sure it was okay to be in here. He said it was. I could take a video and pictures of anything I wanted. And I just cannot get over this. And I know this car is a project, and he's got everything for it, and the motor rebuilt. Just hadn't put it back in. But look at that, the eyebrows and the grill on that car. Yeah, these are, like I said, these are projects. They've been sitting for a little while, but man alive, how cool is this? You can see this is a really, really nice car. Look at the firewall and heater box and all that stuff. But yeah, the old gold, here it is, little gold Plymouth ship in that emblem. Just the detail on these cars back then just blows me away. Now they're in kind of close, so I'll do the best I can with the with the videos, trying to get as good a shot of it as possible. He's took some liberties with this one. It's got some police rallies on it, and they're painted black and kind of look the part, and they may just be on it till they're just for rollers. Looks like this car may have come out of Pennsylvania. Looks like it's been off the road for a while. But look at the interior. Look at those seats. Now that upholstery, golly, that is nice. And see how it carries through on the door panels. This is, I think, what they would call a tritone interior: the white, the brown, and then the design, the stripes in it. Check out that dash. That is something. There's your push buttons for the transmission right there. And you can see how they kind of mimic the heater controls on the other side there. Wow, this thing is cool. Look at the door handles, like a refrigerator door. Oh man, that is sharp. Now he said the front seat is over there behind the other car that we're going to look at. And if you look here, I think I get around the side. One thing that was always pretty interesting about these cars is the way the backs were set up. Maybe the tail lights and everything kind of had that jet look, but they also had that Continental kit that was molded into the rear trunk lid, which was that was sporty uptown back in the day. It just blows me away how cool that car is and the kind of shape that it's in.
They got the rain guards and everything like that thing all laying around the floor.
Really? So he said he just talking to the owner right off camera there, said he had the wind the wing guards, and there's looks like the bumpers and there's 1900 just to do the chrome on the front. Golly. There's a lot of chrome on these cars, but the stainless and stuff looks really good on this car. See around the roof. Oh shoot. Bear with me, I'm gonna go over here and take a look at those original seats. Bear with me just. There's the original, there's the front seat for that Plymouth, and you can't really tell here, and it's kind of packed in, but the seat swivels for the driver's seat to get in and out. So just another cool feature on those cars.